Hello and welcome to one of Mac's custom content tutorials. In this one we will be learning the basics of the importer. Let's go ahead and load up the importer from our folder. This is the importer. There are many features including scenery, icons, OVLs, stalls, text, icon references, and special attractions. For the first time we load up the importer we need to set our prefix. This is our name basically. Type your name here. And go to File. Set default prefix. Now, whenever we load up the importer again it will display our prefix. The first thing you need to do is create the OVL. So press Create OVL. There are a few things we need to do in here. First let's do the texture. Press the plus sign here. A new window will pop up and this is where you need to select the texture you assigned in SketchUp. Make sure the name only has letters or numbers or it won't work. Press Save. Don't worry about these yet, we will cover them in a later tutorial. The next thing we need to do is add the model. Press the plus here. Now we are going to load the RCT file we made in the previous tutorial. Make sure the name only has letters or numbers or it won't work. Now we need to change this to right-handed Z up. At the bottom here we are going to change this to whatever texture goes with what group in texture. In SketchUp I use only one texture so I have only one group. So click the drop down box and select the texture. Now this dot should turn green. And press OK. Now in the LOD section we will just press A for now. Name your item. Make sure the name only has letters or numbers or it won't work. Press Create Scenery OVL and OK. Now save your OVL file, as this is different to the main one. Secondly, you are going to load up your icon. How to make the icon picture is in a different tutorial. Press Add and load your icon. Then press OK and close. Thirdly, the icon reference. Don't worry, it sounds confusing and it is. So we are just going to press Auto. Fourthly, you need to add your text strings, which is basically the text it displays in game. Add it and press Copy. Finally is your scenery item. Press Scenery. Click Add. And press Select OVL. Now load up the OVL file we made earlier from here. In this box you can type anything you want. I will type custom. Sets will be in a later tutorial so press Disable. In these two drop down boxes we will select the icon and text string we made earlier. There are many scenery types but we are going to use wall mask, as it is easiest to find. Extra parameters will be none for now. In all the position boxes we will type 0. In the size 4. And in size in X and Y 1. And in the placement flag box I will set to full tile, as that is what I used in SketchUp. Set all the boxes on the right hand side to 0 and leave the flags alone for now. Now eventually you can press OK. You are going to select the theme that it will be point and name your item. Once you are finished, press install. This may happen to you. You just need to select desktop. Now save your file so you can go back to it and edit it. This is where your file will be if you had to select desktop. And you just need to place this in your style themed folder like we do with other custom scenery. If you didn't get the error, then it will have installed in RCT3 for you. Thank you for watching this tutorial from GAC. I hope you have learned something new.